In this video, I will be talking about taxation. So first of all, in Australia, people who earn more than $18,200 in a financial year must pay a percentage of their earnings as income tax. And the rates are in this table below. So first of all, the income tax is used for a lot of good resources. So things like roads, hospitals, schools, even schools like ours. So I'm going to use this colorized table to explain it. So as the previous slide said, if you earn less than 18,200, there is nil income tax. Okay, at the moment. So for this financial year, there was no income tax. So if you have a part-time job and earn $10,000, you don't need to pay income tax. If you earn more than 18,200, for each dollar, so if it was $1 more than this amount, you would pay 19 cents. If it was $2 more than this amount, you would pay 38 cents. Every dollar over 18,200 gets charged 19 cents. So if it was $100 over, you'd go 100 times 19 cents. And you can see there's different amounts. The more you earn, the more you get taxed. In example 13, we have find the amount of tax paid on an annual income of $25,000. So we need to use this part of the table. So $25,000 is in between these two numbers. So that's why we use this part of the table. So every $1 over 18,200 gets charged 19 cents. So that's the first step in the process. How much more than 18,200 is the number? So we subtract 18,200 and multiply that by 19 cents. So there's 100 cents in a dollar, so I'm changing it to dollars by dividing by 100. So this much is paid in tax for $25,000. So again, 25,000 is between these two numbers. We calculate how much more than 18,200 and multiply that by 19 cents. For 95,000, it's going to be charged much more tax. And we use this part of the table because 95,000 is between these two numbers. And you can see here that we have 37 cents for each dollar over 87,000, as well as this number here. This number here, the 19,822, is how much you'd pay if you earned $87,000. So we have 19,822 plus 37 cents for each $1 over that amount. So it's a similar kind of process as before. We find the difference between the actual tax and this number from our table. So the difference, we times that by 37 cents, or 37 over 100 in dollars. And then this has the extra step of adding this part of the table, which you can see is here as well. So for $95,000, $23,000 is paid in tax, which seems like quite a lot. Remember, tax does go to valuable things like roads, hospitals, etc.